surprised to see some of this around Philly today, Kate, with the heat and humidity we're dealing with.
Yeah, I mean, that's really the scientific term.
I'll be spluting later today. Yeah.
On your deck, on your patio.
She was on the desk, yeah.
I know.
Here we go.
Why not? Just completely laid out. Yeah, maybe in front of the air conditioning vent. That's a good place to do your spluting today.
That's a good idea.
I'd love to be in the room when they were like, what should we call this?
Seriously.
Like, let's just troll
the meeting
everyone.
of the minds there with the spluting.
Exactly. All right. Well, today definitely the day to find someplace cool to cool off, whether you're a squirrel or a human. It's going to be a hot one. Look at this, warming up very quickly. We're starting the day in the mid-70s. Humidity is already high, and we're going to be feeling mid-80s by noon. And later today, we'll likely hit 90. It'll feel more like 95 or 96 with the humidity. Had a couple of showers roll through this morning. It's quieted down now. Now, there is still the chance that a couple of showers could form midday, but it's really later on this afternoon that we will be in a risk for another round of localized but intense storms that could lead to another round of severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings. We don't have any watches or anything issued yet, but later this afternoon and this evening, we'll be monitoring this very closely. Our next weather team will be with you all through the day. Meteorologist Andrew Kozak and Chief Meteorologist Bill Kelly later on this evening. So make sure you stick with us. We will have that updated radar for you. But one thing to keep in mind, any of these storms could produce damaging winds, hail, and also heavy downpours, which could result in some localized flooding. So you just want to keep an eye to the sky and stay with our CBS Philadelphia weather app. You can track the live radar if you're on the beach or anything like that. Definitely keep an eye out because storms could get locally strong later this afternoon. Now, we've just gotten an update right here. This is our high resolution model, keeping it relatively quiet through at least about 2 or 3 o'clock. So pool plans should be a go. And then later this evening, 5:30, 6 o'clock, that's when storms really start to fire up. And they are few and far between, but any one of these could produce damaging wind, hail, and even the risk for that isolated tornado. Again, it's not all across the region. That's why we have not issued a next weather alert. I think many of us don't see much of anything at all. I do want to quickly show you tomorrow, which is the 4th of July. A couple of scattered storms, mainly midday, but it does look like it'll try to clear out by the time fireworks displays take effect around 9 o'clock. Chris, I'll send it over to you.